Yeah though, boys. What's going on, guys? So today I'm on my way to Sydney. You know, it just felt like a quick 3-hour drive. You know, it's just one of those days. Not really. I'm going to pick up my old BBS wheels back. I don't know if they're the exact same ones, but the wheels themselves are the exact same. 19-inch BBS LM. And I'm also going up there to hang out with Aiden for a day. We're going to, hopefully, if the weather holds off and if I have enough time, we're going to do the big brake kit and maybe block my rear brake, block my rear brakes for mad skids. Yeah, I'm on my way. I got like 3 hours left. Just cruising down the highway. About half an hour. A bad cunt. Back at that rest stop, right there is where I pull up my Ecotec, coming back out of the rest stop on that fucking side road there. Oh, the memories. Oh, well, now it's got the boosted bitch. We're all good. Okay, so I just turned off the Hume Highway, got into Sydney, and now for some reason my car is idling. Idling perfectly normal. So yeah, no idea why, but alright, thanks car. Definitely in Sydney, just fucking Sydney, in lines of traffic. Wanna kill myself. Yeah, the boys. Parramatta is where we need to go. Alright guys, so we made it. It's fucking hot. There's traffic everywhere. It's shit. It's Sydney. I just realized Aiden has work and he's like just left for work. I'm not at his house, I'm at someone else's house. But I got the wheels and they're looking fucking schmick. They've got center caps, which my last ones didn't have. And I'm pretty sure these are the same ones that I used to own, because there's one wheel that has like identical small bit of gutter rash that I did to mine because I'm a shit cunt. But yeah, I'm gonna throw them on tomorrow, hopefully, when I go back to Sydney. I'm going back to Sydney. When I go back to Canberra tonight, wake up tomorrow, put them on, do some other stuff maybe, I don't know. But yeah, couldn't do a video with Aiden because he's at work. So I'm just gonna go visit him when he's at work after I'm done here doing what I need to do. But yeah, sorry we didn't get to do the big breaks and whatnot, but it's gonna happen. It's coming soon. Stay tuned. So I followed Aiden to work. No, I didn't follow him. I just used to work here, so I came here. And this is his new Beamer. Fuck, it looks good. It's so much cleaner than my car. My car has been washed in like a month. But damn, well done, Aiden. I like it. And then there's this. But yeah, guys, I'm trying to convince Aiden. Leave a like and a comment down below if you think Aiden should move to Canberra with me. And then we can see more videos of this fat Beamer. And way more skids and just fucking epicness. Yeah, sick, you know, just leaving Sydney, done a mad burnout at Aiden's work, as you do. Barely got any fucking tread taken off the top tyres, and look at that, there's a fucking bolt in it. Tyre's dead now, and still has heaps of tread. That's fucking so many skids wasted thanks to this little dick. So now I've got to sit in this car park and change all my fucking wheels to these cunts at Liverpool KKs. Fuck. At least I got my fucking donuts. Now I gotta do, fuck, it's a slushy. Now I gotta deal with this cunt. How good is that? You know, this is just what I needed. Fuck yeah. Feels super professional wearing my gloves, but I need to drive and my jack's really dirty and the handle's fucking greasy as, so I don't want to drive with greasy hands. But yeah, let's get to this. Thank fuck I have my lock nut key with me. I didn't even know I have lock nuts. This car came with them and they fucking pissed me off. I suppose now I need them. Now I actually have wheels worth trying to save from being stolen. Motherfucker! It's too fucking low to jack up. God damn it. Oh. Did that work? Of course not. Oh. Getting there. Whew. Alright, 19 should fit on there. Yeah, the lowered life. Fucking this motherfucker. Just fuck you. Yep, gotta go higher. Okay, yeah, so you get the idea. I'm gonna drop this side, do the other side, do all three, and then I'll show you guys how it sits. Fuck yeah. Alright, I'm just tightening up the... oh, it's fucking starting to rain. Shit. Yeah, I'm just tightening up the front wheel now, and then she's all done, guys. Fuck these wheels, fuck that nail. Car looks sick now, but... oh. Such a shit show. Yeah, the front's gonna sit lower once I drive it because the link pin's still like bent and snapped. Just dicked. But fuck, I love these wheels. I just realised this whole fucking time I had burgers in the car. Ah! It just started fucking pissing down too. Oh, that timing, mate. Tell you what. These better be the best goddamn fucking donuts I've ever had. Oh. Get it going. Yeah, though, boys. Alright, now I'm gonna go get another slushy and then fucking back to Canberra. Ew. Alright guys, so I'm home. My car, oh wait. Yeah, my car's idling pretty normal. Normal than it usually does. I don't have to keep tapping the accelerator to keep it running. It's pretty much sitting at 1,000 or 800 to 1,000 like normal. Every now and then it'll jump up and go back down. But yeah, full round trip. And that's, can't see it properly, but it says 703 kilometers. It's probably like 720 because I forgot to reset it after I left the servo, but yeah, that was fucking good fun. I've still got, I used a tank and a half. That's not bad for a little Super 6 that fucking chews like 2 tanks a week. Yeah, that's it guys. So thanks for watching. I'm sorry it wasn't like any mods or anything like that. Sorry for the blue light. Yeah, I'm sorry it wasn't really that interesting. It's just a little road trip and whatnot, but I want to, next video, should be the next video, tomorrow, I want to cut these front springs because I just need it now. I can't be rolling around on BBS and have fucking stock suspension in the front. What's that, mate? Can't live with that. So, lower the front, maybe do my link pins, and then go get a wheel alignment and these new wheels balanced. And then, yeah, we're fucking set, guys. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, give it a like, put a comment down below. Let me know if you, like I said earlier in the video, leave a like and a comment, and comment your thoughts on Aiden moving down here to Canberra, working with me. We have his E36 on the channel. It'll pretty much be mine and Aiden's channel from that point. Like, he'll be half the channel, his car, stuff doing on his car, all that shit. It'll be off head. Aiden, fucking do it, you little bitch. Until the next video, guys, enjoy my roof lining, my professional roof lining, because I know you guys love it.